really satisfying. The food is delicious and the staff is friendly. The hotel is clean, comfortable, and the food is delicious. Hi, saya kasini lagi karena tempatnya nyaman and ramah. Terima kasih. Fasilitas hotel yang nyaman dengan harga yang worth it. Senang bisa kembali lagi kesini. Sukses selalu, terima kasih. Suitable for solo travelers and couples. That's quite good considering the price. The quality received is also okay. Bagi solo traveler yang butuh kamar untuk istirahat dan menyimpan barang/koper, menurut saya, pilihan hotel ini sangat pas. Hotel bersih, staffnya ramah dan lokasi strategis serta dekat dengan toko oleh dan toko. Everything is excellent. Very clean, comfortable and the hotel staff are friendly. Thank you Abidin Hotel. Located in the city center of Padang. Highly recommended, available for sahur meals and iftar snacks, delicious food. Good for that price. Complete facilities and breakfast included. Highly recommended. In accordance with the price. Clean. In front there are food vendors and titalia, thumbs up emoji. Sesuai dengan harga, staff ramah, breakfast, thumbs up emoji, semoga fasilitas kamar bisa ditingkatkan. New to check and maintain their water heater at bathroom. Mantap. Pilihan and okay. Pretty good and clean, still comfortable.